exciting news. Exciting news. This is brand new, spanking new. You see? Here's one of them short buses. Okay? I want y'all to look around. Yep. The floors are spanking clean, you know. This bus came out today. Yep. These buses came out today. It's very small. Look how clean the floors is. Because this it's the first day this bus been used. Yep. Yeah, I'm on New Orleans RTA.
Please exit through the rear door.
Y'all hear that? Please exit through the rear doors. Yeah. Listen to that sound. Yeah. Yeah, this is a brand new bus. It's kind of shorter than the other new ones that came out. Never seen nothing like this before. All right. Yep, see how clean these floors is? Yep. It ain't gonna be too long when people try to mess this up. Huh? Yes, indeed. You know? That'd be a crying shame, you know? And these buses just came out, you know? Yep. So you see, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just doing this for excitement, you know? Because y'all know I love buses, you know. I do love buses though.
RTA began implementing service reductions on March 17th to mitigate spread of COVID-19 in the interest of public health and safety.
All right. Well, that was the computer talking though, you know. So I have to let y'all listen to that, you know. So Facebook, YouTube, wherever you're watching me on, this is an exciting day for me. You know? As long as nobody don't interrupt interrupt me while I'm recording. You know. Yeah, look, there's an old bus right there. Y'all see that? I wish I could show y'all the outside design, but the outside design don't look like that. Okay. It looked like something else. It looked like something else, you know. So listen to that sound. Listen to that sound. Listen to the bus roar. There's other passengers talking. That's why y'all hear voices on here. And y'all hear the computer too. You know. So.
Chef Highway and Gentilly Woods Mall.
Okay, that's Norman Robinson voice. Look, you see what that say? All right, so
Louisa.
That new spell great, you know. The other new buses came out like before Halloween of 2019. It's new and old at the same time, but this one is kind of spanking new, you know. Very much spanking new, you know. Very excited to wear this.
Touch yellow tape to open doors.
I know y'all heard that. Touch yellow tape to open doors, you know. Well, the air conditioner is on. That's why the bus sound different, you know. Okay, so so
Desire Parkway.
Desire Parkway. That's where we at. Okay. So so I watched WDSU this morning, and they were talking about the new RTA buses, something like this, you know. But it's kind of shorter. Saw it on the news, and I'm very excited to listen to it, you know, to ride, you know. So I kind of wonder, you know, I kind of wonder Randy Russo and all them
Stop requested.
Sheba Turk and all of them is watching me right now. Well, Sally Ann Roberts retired, so I'm still pretty sure she watching my video. As far as that, unless somebody show her, you know. So, all right, so here we go.
Chef Highway and Congress.
And Congress.
Please hold on for your safety.
Please hold on for your safety, they say. Yeah, you gotta hold on for your safety, you know. About 3 or 4 minutes into this video, you know, into this live stream, you know. All right, listen to that. So,
Congress and Pauline.
yep. Maybe I should show y'all the outside design or whatever, you know? Okay. Every now and then I do. Every now and then I do filmings on buses, you know. Every now and then. I wonder if Jefferson Parish gonna go get smaller buses like this in a new form. I guess the air conditioning is back on. Yeah, because you know the driver got it on automatic.
The Gore Court.
You know? So anyway, y'all. You know, I'm thinking about calling my AT and telling her I'm on the new bus. With this, watch your steps right here. You see? You step up one, step up twice. The front, you step up once. Yeah. So, that's all you see, you know? Nice and clean.
Mendez.
Watching a couple of weeks. It's gonna be dirty, like. Yes, it'll be dirty, like. First time or the second time, I guess. No, the first time in my life, I caught a new bus on the first day. This is a historic moment of my life, you know. This is definitely a historic moment of my life. Well, look at this nice clean bus. Or should I say furnished bus. See? Got those stickers up there. No smoking, no eating or drinking, and no radio playing. Okay? Alright, so as we having fun riding this bus, I think
I know it's with us, and honored to serve as the RTA CEO. As we continue to navigate COVID-19 together, please remember to maintain safe distances from other riders, observe seatbelt signs, and wear the required face coverings for your riding the RTA. Thank you. Let's all stay safe.
yeah. Well, I must say, I'm too excited. I hope the voice came on. Sometimes the volume go down and I don't even know. Or probably be because I'm holding the camera the wrong way or whatever. I don't know. You know? All right. Well, that's it, y'all. So I better stop this recording. All right. Bye, y'all.